How to generate leads from LinkedIn. Network marketing leads are the bread and butter for your business. If you're an online network marketer, you need to know how to generate quality leads on a constant basis. In this video, hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about how to generate leads from LinkedIn. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand. So for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get started with network marketing leads and make your business go viral. So without further ado, the king of network marketing. How to generate leads from LinkedIn. One of the best ways to generate leads from LinkedIn is by having a profile that is highly relevant to the industry you are in. So you're in the MLM industry, you should have a profile that is targeted to MLM leads. Now this may sound simple, but it gets a little tricky. Because the majority of the people using LinkedIn are also in network marketing, you have to be a little more creative. For example, if you're in the MLM industry and you have some products that you sell, then you can put a link to those products below your profile. Now this might seem like spamming, but it's the least they'll think of to get rid of you. Another way is by having a ton of friends in your niche. This isn't as good as having a profile targeted to your niche, but it will get you a ton of leads on LinkedIn. One thing I like about having multiple profiles is that you can always make a new one for your current business and create a bunch of new contacts. It's very simple but effective. Try to have 3 or 4 different profiles. How to generate leads from LinkedIn. There are other ways to get leads from LinkedIn. One is buying leads, but this can be expensive and you may not have a lot of leads to start with. There are other methods to generate targeted MLM network marketing leads on LinkedIn. The 2 main ones are getting referrals from people in your network and driving traffic to your profile. Let's explore these methods. Referrals. If you're networking with the right people, they're going to give you referrals. The easiest way to get a referral is to join their network or buy their products. This works great if you're networking with networks that already own products you want to promote. You can also buy a list of subscribers from your network's advertisers. This can be pricey, but you can do this for a long time until you build your own list. Driving traffic. Well, this is what you want to do if you're marketing your own products. You can drive traffic to your profile just as easily as you can bring in leads on your own network. Just focus on creating content that's interesting and people want to read. They'll come to you if you're interesting. There are other ways to get leads too. If you're online, you can use article marketing, press releases, blogs, and so on. A lot of these strategies are free or have a minimal cost associated with them. These are just 2 methods on how to generate leads from LinkedIn. Don't give up because it doesn't happen overnight. In fact, over the long run, your profile will generate lots of traffic and new contacts. Take the time to market your MLM business. Use LinkedIn to share your business and events you're attending. Share what you're doing and how long you've been doing it. This helps build trust and relationship within your network. When you have relationships within your network, you're much more likely to be successful. They help form your network, so you have to keep those people close. The bottom line is that you have to take the time to learn how to generate leads from LCN. It may not be easy at first. However, the payoff will be worth it. You won't be stuck promoting the same old product. Instead, you can grow your network marketing leads into a huge source of income. There are other ways to attract potential customers, but you can't rely on that to succeed. LCNS give you a fresh approach. They're new and innovative. Your network marketing leads will grow because they match with people in your network. When you learn how to generate leads from LCN, you can use that knowledge to expand your business exponentially. Thanks for watching my video about how to generate leads from LinkedIn. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.